Good day, Mom and Sir. How are you? I am Myla Flores, 33 years old, a Filipino from Philippines, and have two kids, and I'm single. I have work experience in the Philippines as a teacher for a school nursery, handle at the age of 3 years old and 4 years old. My responsibilities is to teach them a basic learning skills and to serve a feeding program. And also, I have past experience working abroad in Middle East for 2 years and completely finished my contract. My main duties there is to take care of the baby 1 year old, and as being a nanny duties, I can change diaper, preparing milk, feed to her, train her daily a proper good hygiene like bathing and changing clothes. And sometimes I bring her to the playground, and I do teach her also a basic learning like speak English, some activities tutoring, bedtime stories, and a basic reading books. And also I do household chores like cleaning, ironing, do the dishes, do the laundry, sometimes cooking and marketing. And to my future employer, my personality is hardworking, loving, caring, flexible, energetic, passionate, sweet, and I dedicated my work, especially the children. I have long patience. And one thing surely, if you will hire me, I promise I will love your children, like treat as my own and take care a good condition. And without your provision, of course, I can handle my responsibilities, and I assure you that I'm willing to work a long time and finish my contract. Have a good day, Mom and Sir. See you. God bless.